Okay, good evening, guys. I think I found a solution. I think many of you have bought the Nopeet, face shield. This one is the clear type, the Nopeet. The issue here is the size of this is just half the face. So as you can see, if you wear it, it just covers your nose and doesn't cover until to the mouth. But Nopeet, I think, has released a new version of this, the full face, the full size, or the maximum size face shield. But I think lots of you already has bought this one. So I found a solution where you could just turn this into a full size face shield mask. I bought this one. It's a 60 pesos, Philippines, approximately $1. Full size face shield. So you can use this one. Just remove this one, the sides. It's just strapped in with a rubber. So I'll just remove the rubber part here. And here on the other side. Okay. And then, so open your Nopeet face shield. And if you just see, slide this here on the inner, not on the outer, it's on the inner side. There is a very small part here inside where this plastic or acrylic would fit inside and slip it inside like this. And then it sticks. See? It's now inside. Now you've got a full face shield mask. So it's up to you if you want to cut the sides or on the other side. You can also do this on your, I think, the visor types. And now you can use a full face shield mask. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps.